aban de efidi tetafo apem ne ahanum akakoma bambo kunum Ghana Police Service said the bebo ama omaduma mo eye no etimi akwanim Ghana mampani nanado danko AKUFO ADDO ono na de achede ekoye o kire se ebebo ama posifo aduma mo eye no omo ho aharo mo o bambo o kire se efidi tetafo yi omo ode akoma bambo yi adwuman afekura no ahya ase na afie enko na wiye no na omo ensa ka mpem enum na no atumi abo mo ama omaye bambo adwuma ne yi.
Police training curriculum, which is focused on equipping the police officers with skills in driving, swimming, and motorbike riding, in addition to other tactical and soft skills. That is why I'm happy to hand over these 1,500 motorbikes to the police service to urge further the service on to continue doing the good work it is doing to keep all of us safe. I'm confident that these bikes will be put to very good use as they will reach the communities who need them most. I assure the police administration that this is just the beginning. More and more motorbikes will come in soon to help ensure that every single community in the country benefits from the enhanced community policing model. Government will increase the number of motorbikes presented by government to 5,000 by the end of next year.
Sanso ena Minister for Interior Unyamfo AMBROSE DERY ono so ekod medina sia okasa ye ekire se bambo adwuma no ehia pa enti aposifo ensa ebeka mo ade bia mo ehia efa bambo.
One, the goal to make each and every person in Ghana feel secure, therefore exercising that fear syndrome that gripped us. And there were elements in it that he stated. One, to make the police more professional. Two, to make sure that the police is working professionally without the intervention of the perception that they are being controlled by the executive and what have you. He also did what was necessary to give Ghana the paradigm shift. Security was on a back burner. He brought it ahead because he knew that security was a necessary precondition for his economic transformation that he was pursuing.
Jumedie no atwetwe mpenifo akese bi te se Inspector General of Police Okuni George AKUFO DAMPARE eba ase a omo nyina de omo no nyam ebeta jumedie no achi.